In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Webull Pay in 2025 easy. So first what you need to do is deposit money into your Webull Pay account. At the bottom, you'll see several tabs. Select the Bitcoin tab to access your portfolio. If you haven't connected a bank account yet, you'll see an option to link one and deposit funds. Once you've added money, return to the first tab. If Bitcoin doesn't appear immediately, tap the magnifying glass in the top right and search for Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin from the results to open its page. Here you can check its performance over different time frames. At the bottom, you'll see the options to buy or sell. Tap buy. Then decide how you want to enter the amount. You can type in a dollar value like $10 or switch to entering a Bitcoin amount directly. If you don't have funds yet, click on buying power and deposit the amount you need. Once everything is ready, tap next at the bottom, then confirm buy. That's a simple way to buy Bitcoin on Webull Pay. Thanks for watching.